Hey YouTube, Truck and Treasure here with another Arizona ticket. These are called Lucky Dogs. So all you dog lovers out there, ain't they cute? Got that one there with the I don't know, they don't have names on them, so that looks like a little dachshund. It's some kind of terrier, I think. Don't know my dogs. There's a little poodle for you, and another dachshund, which is, so I think there's maybe just a variety of three different ones. But anyways, Lucky Dog. Let's see if we got some Lucky Dog. It's a symbol hunt game. Look for a dog house, win the prize, or the paw and win double the prize. So nothing more, no numbers, none to match. Odds on these tickets are 1 in 3.54. So let's get some scratch going on and see if we can find a dog house or the paws. Alright, Paulie, let's see if we can use your coin on this ticket here. We'll get zoomed in here. Oops, get a new coin. There we go. Why are we not doing what we're supposed to there? Sorry, that's too much. Let's go out just a hair. There we go. Alright. So we're just looking for interesting. What the heck we got going on here? There's the names. That's Fido. So I don't think there was anything about that, was there? If you find your dog, let's go through and make sure. Prize amounts. No, nothing. Nothing about the dogs. Okay, because they don't have names up here, so I guess it wouldn't matter. There's Junior. That's another kind of poodle. Okay. Bowser or Goose. No, that's Goose. We're looking for a doghouse or the paw print. There's Bruno. Sage. Fun. If you like dog names, it's a good way to get them. Rover. Brady, Sadie, Rex, Sophia. Alright, we need a symbol. Molly, Charlie, Dino, yep. Ella? I don't know, never heard a dog called Ella. Baxter, yep, heard that one. Okay, nothing on that ticket. Ticket 36, not the winning kind. Alright, let's go to 37. This is the terrier. Let's see if we can get maybe certain dogs on the tickets. Hey, we got a win! We got the doghouse. We got the doghouse. I like that. Can we get another one? Nope, we got a dog. Ginger, Spade, Duke, and Coco. Alright. Sophia. Coda, I guess. There's a Max, a Bailey, a Jack, Wrigley, Lola, Spot, Rover. But we got a win. Alright, what do we get? What do we get on this $5 ticket? Dun, 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 dun. We got $5. Hey, it's a winner. Alright, these tickets I picked up here at this place are really doing good. Alright, we got 2 more to go. This one here is a little poodle. Alright, see if we can do that again. Back to back. There's Misty, Molly, Rex, Coco, Daisy, Baxter, Rover, Dino, Fido, Bailey, Sophia, Sage, Bruce, Duke, and Ginger. Not the winning one. Alright, let's go back to this one here. Little Dachshund. Come on, let's get another win. Get 2 wins out of this, it'd be really cool. Sage, Brady, Max, Luna, Coda, Daisy, Bruce, Goose, Baxter, Rex. Come on, Ticket. One more. Jack, Junior, Ella, Bruno, and Charlie. Nope. We got 1 out of the 4. Not too bad. Yeah, that's better than nothing. So we got this winner right here for $5. Yep, win prize shown. We didn't get the pause, so it's fun. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed that. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm out of Arizona. Alright, talk to you later. 10-4.